What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you.
Today I have for you an eye look using a new palette that I got from Revolution off of Ulta's website called the Jewel Collection Opulent, and it is by Revolution Beauty. I think I got intrigued by Revolution again. I have been previously in my makeup obsession, but because of Emily Noel and her palettes, I've just kind of been curious about what else they have because I like those so much. And so when I saw this on the website, on Ulta's website, whenever I was shopping the Ulta sale, I found this. And you know me. And if you don't know me, you'll know me soon enough. And I love purples and mauves and roses and pinks so much. And I love the way they look on my eyes. And so when I saw this, especially all these across the top that are so super gorgeous, I just couldn't resist. Plus it was $15 and I thought that was a really good deal for a lot of eyeshadows. It actually looked a lot bigger on the website than it does in person, but I'm still really happy with it. So I'm just going to do some makeup discovery. I've used this a couple times, but only whenever I was in a mad rush and I did very simple looks with it. So today I want to do something a little bit more in-depth with it and maybe use 3 or 4 or 5 shades instead of just 2. So if you'd like to see what I come up with this Jewel Collection Opulent palette by Revolution, please keep watching. So zoomed you in a little bit so you can see better. I really have been trying to remember to highlight my brow bone first. I just like the way that the order goes after that if I do it that way, and I don't know why I forget so often because I really like to do it that way. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Rules, and it's just a cream, matte cream shade, and I'm going to use it to clean up underneath my eyebrows and to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going to mix the shades Impressionable and Reveal. These two. There's kind of a... These two. There's kind of a warmer one and a cooler one, and I kind of like the neutral look of it in between the two. Actually, before I do that, I think I'm going to go into Peace right here as a transition. It's just kind of a lighter, cooler shade, and I think it might be good to start off with that. Using a BH Cosmetics blender.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping.
Okay, next I'm going into that other step I was talking about earlier. I'm going to mix those two together, Impressionable and Reveal, and deepen up the crease. I'm going to use my ABH number A25. Next, I'm going to take those two colors again and run those on my lower lash line. This time I'm using Morphe M507. I'm going to use the same brush and go into that lighter shade piece right here and just kind of go right on the underside of that and soften it up a little. Now I'm just going to take a clean brush and really kind of smoke that out. I'm just really going for a really soft look. I want rosy and purpley and mauvey and pinky, but I want it really blown out and soft, and I think that did the trick. All right, what's really cool about some of these colors up here, or some of them are duochrome and some of them are just really interesting all together. But today I'm going to go for Participate, which is kind of this rose gold. It looks just kind of rosy, but it does have a gold shift to it. I'm going to go in with my MAC 242 to start. And I did with these others go in with my finger, and I think it's better to go in with a brush to start and kind of do that pat and pull motion like this. And then maybe go back over it with a finger to intensify the shimmer, but I think it's good to get a base down. These are it's an interesting texture. They're very creamy, but it kind of sticks together, almost like there is an oil or an emollient element to it. That's pretty. I am going to try my finger. I don't know how these would react if you wet them. I mean, look how metallic that looks on my finger, but it doesn't really look that way on my eye. Well, it does now. That's beautiful. That's why I was so intrigued by this palette, because it had all these beautiful foiled pinks and roses. I like that a lot. And do the same thing on the other eye.
Show me your dream.
I think that is super gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to go back through with this ABH brush and just kind of clean up those lines. Make sure those are blended together on the outer corner. What you think? I think it's really pretty. If you hear any background noise, that would be my husband and his football game. Alright, there is a really beautiful, there's actually two really, there's actually 3 or 4 beautiful, really light shimmers. But I think I'm going to go for this one here called Soul. It's kind of a really light champagne. And I think it'll be nice on the inner corner if I can get it to show up. Let's see. I think I'll use this little detail brush. It is a BRC SO1 by Coastal Scents. I was in a chat today. My friend Sarah Beauty Obsession was having a live chat, and someone mentioned Coastal Scents, and she was talking about a not so pleasant experience that she had with them. And it made me think, I haven't heard anything about Coastal Scents for a really long time. I wonder if they're still in business. Like, I haven't gotten advertisement for them. Used to get it quite often. I wonder if they are no more. Usually whenever a company closes or goes out of business, it's kind of broadcast everywhere. This is working nicely. To build it up a little bit, but it's nice and bright. It just looked a little weird impact in that inner area, so I was just kind of trying to diffuse it out or soften it out a little bit, and that worked just fine. I think I'm going to use the last pair of these. I think these are Allure Lashes 117. Just some really pretty, piecey, kind of demi-wispy type lashes. And I think that's what I'm going to go with. I just want to add to the softness. But before I do that, I am going to go off camera and put on my liner and mascara and all those things and the lashes, and I'll be back with my final look. Alright guys, this is the final look with the liner and the lashes. I think the lashes are nice and pretty and soft, and I think that just added just a really nice, a little bit of drama to the look, but I just think it's really still soft and pretty. So this is the final look. I decided I was going to use kind of a darker lip just because I have such a soft eye, and it is a little bit dramatic now that I look at it, but I still think it's soft and pretty. At the Ulta sale, I got these new Buxom, let's see what they're called, Vava Plump lippies, and they're called Shiny Liquid Lipstick. And I don't know about you guys, but like, I am so over liquid lipsticks being so dry and tearing up my lips, and so it's nice to have something shiny every once in a while. I still really do prefer a matte lip because it stays on so much better, but I'm ready to give these a try. I found a lip liner that I think will match well, and that's NYX Soft Spoken. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Soft Spoken, so I'm going to go in with that.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're sleeping.
So, this is it. This is interesting. I like this color a lot. Now, putting it on, it was all over my teeth. I don't know why. But anyways, it's beautiful color, and I do like the shiny finish, like just for something different, because I really do use a lot of matte lippies, and so it's nice to have something different. But if you guys have any Buxom glosses, you know how they have that kind of minty tingling feeling? These have that too. So it'll be interesting to see if this is long lasting. Like, it feels kind of like a sticky gloss. Not terrible though, like it feels almost like it's kind of setting, but it's still really a pretty finish, and I really like the color. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think the eye look turned out really pretty, and I like the lip, so it's a success. I didn't have much trouble today, imagine that, because most of the time on days whenever I have a lot planned and I don't get as much done as I would like, I end up like screwing up the one thing that I do get to do, or the one thing I do find the time to do. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. So I'm going to take a shader blot. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take those two colors again and run them on the on my under. That's cute. Seriously? Stop it. So, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, and I said, well, what is that? And she said, I forgot I was filming and I'm filming me talking to you. Anyway. Hi, Courtney, on my video.
I got something in yours.
Oh, no, I think it's yours. The other, I dealt with yours all morning, so you can deal with mine for this evening. Why are you giving me that slanted grin for? You know what I'm talking about. I dealt with yours all morning. And can I tell you, I picked 872 Eli hairs off of my face while I was trying to get ready?
That's good.
No, it's not.
Makes you look manly.
Whatever, dude.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping.